do remember when, in the late 60s, I chose to go off and do some civil rights work in the South, and people were getting killed, and my father understood very well that I needed to go do this, and my mom was beside herself for a while. And I said, "Wie kann ich anders tun, als euch zu erzeugen? I can't do any different. That's how you brought me up." And she had to find the strength to withhold her enormous fear. She lost everything and everyone. To say, okay, I understand. Not that they could have stopped me, but I thought about how heroic it was of her, using that word again, at that point, to swallow her fears, because that indeed is how we had been raised.